Okay. All right, Mina. Good boy, Otis. Aw, come on, hero. Come on. Bessie, just leave him alone. Bessie, good girl. You just gotta put your mind on other things, baby. Bessie, just gotta think about other dogs. Bessie, look at the love triangle. Hero loves Maya. Bessie loves Hero. It's very tragic.